Hello everyone, welcome back to the videos. Today's video I'll be showing you how to make a backup of the Papercut MF database. Quite simple. I open the web page. It's localized 9191/admin, and then I'll click the login button as soon as my username and password has been entered. Once I'm logged in, I'll go to options and then backups. So you'll see the backup location is there. It will tell me it had a last run. If I want to create a clean backup or a backup right now, I'll click the Export Now button to bring up the little export database screen and start exporting it. Once it's done, it will tell me finished. I can close it and then I can go to the folder in here. I've already got it open, like you can see, and that's my backups. So you don't need to stop any services. You don't need to do anything funny. You can just export it, then copy this database over to wherever you need to copy it. Thank you for watching and have a lovely day.